Time check. Alas 11 na guys. And tignan nyo yung aking mga anak. Nakahiga pa rin sila. Pero nag-breakfast na sila kanina. And ayan. Bakit di pa bumabangon? Today is Chinese New Year. Kaya wala silang mga pasok guys. And ayan. Babad na naman tayo sa gadgets. Lariela, wala kang assignment? Mark have assignment. Ate Jillian also had. Oh, stop it. My hand is painful, Mark.
I know.
Then why you're doing that to your mom? Napalambot ko lang din guys yung karne gamit itong aking pressure cooker. Yan, konti na lang din yung aking rice. Hindi na ako nagluto ng rice guys, gawa ng meron pa kaming mga leftover yesterday. Si Jillian guys ay pumunta sa labas kasi bibili daw siya ng tofu. Kasi gusto niyang magluto ako ng tofu na sisig. Cooking tofu. Pork and tofu sisig. So,
I did not. I just said to you to get out.
hindi pa katin. So, ayan na guys yung aking tofu and pork sisig. Stand. So, ayan guys. Nag-order ulit kami ng chicken sa McDonald's.
Hi. This is Latito for I know, I just found it in the floor. Yeah.
Are you enjoying your food? Is it nice? How about you?
Nice.
Is it nice?
Mm-hmm.